Hi Gemini, welcome back to Omkara Tarot. And yes, as you can see, I'm still disorganized. My stuff still hasn't reached, but I'm still going to continue the readings as we are. And these are general collective readings, Gemini, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, okay? Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for gems and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life now. Thank you. All right, Gemini, let's start your reading. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Gemini, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Gemini. Okay, newbies, I'm setting down two sets of cards here. One side will be for you, one side will be for your person, and in the center, I'm going to have your dialogue message cards, your mutual energies, etc. But for the duration of the reading, Gemini, I'm going to call this side person A and this side person B. If this is your storyline, of course, you'll know which side you resonate best with, right? Okay, Gemini. Person A and person B. Bottom of my deck, Gemini, I have the Hangman in reverse. Maybe somebody now has had an epiphany, they want to get unstuck. Let's see what's happening. Okay. So from what I'm seeing, Gemini, there is an Empress in reverse. Empress in reverse is somebody who feels there is no more growth to be had in this situation. I don't think there's any going forward with this person. My person turned out to be a little bit of a heartbreaker. They made promises which they never kept, false promises, and it was nice while it lasted, but I don't see anything going forward. Whereas the other person, they are feeling very, very ungrounded at the moment. They feel they really want to do something which will restore peace and harmony between the two of you, and you guys can move on to find happiness and peace once again. Because without this Empress now, the other person is feeling totally disoriented, totally ungrounded. Okay, so what's going to happen after that? Let's see. I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards, Gemini. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll clarify the rest of the cards. So Gemini and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Gemini and their person. Gemini and their person. Okay, let's take one more. Gemini and their person. Oh, I got two more. Okay, let's take a couple more from here, Gemini. And if any of you are looking for personal readings, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Good to go, gems. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, if I give in to you, you'll have the power to break both my heart and mind. I can't survive that. I tend to look at your social media pages, waiting on signs to connect with you. You're all I ever need to complete me. I'm having a hard time believing that you really love me. Trying to gather up the courage to get in touch with you, to get in contact with you. I've been hurt so badly, I don't know if I can really love again. Sometimes because I know that we'll be together, I take you for granted. I never loved them. It was just about the sex. I love you. So it seems one person took this Empress for granted because they had addictions. Maybe their eyes and other parts of their body were elsewhere. I don't know. We'll check it out. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card, and let's see what my angels have for you first. My angels, blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for a Gemini. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Gemini. Look deeper. Look deeper. Maybe this Empress feels it's all over. This person was a promise breaker. They don't know what the other person is going through now. They are, from what I can see from the cards, general overlook. This person B is feeling that they made some very foolish choices now, which they want to heal. But person A, who's the Empress, I think doesn't believe that or doesn't see that anymore. So look deeper, look at why this happened, what's happening here, which we're going to try, and well, I'll try my best to help you here, gems. Let's start with the energies of person A first, okay? Let's see how person A is doing, and then we'll go on to the other side. So person A, Empress in reverse, why do you feel this way? Why do you feel this way? Oops, why am I taking this deck? This was saved for later, for the action cards. Let me use this one. Empress in reverse. Okay. Empress says, I got tired. I got tired. My person was taking me for granted. They were not giving me anything. All their promises were broken and they hurt me. They were a heartbreaker. I have decided I can't take the entire load of this connection. Yes, they took me for granted. They thought I was going to be waiting around for later or forever, while they went on to do whatever they were doing, right? So I think person A, who's the Empress, has decided, I don't want to do this again. I'm calling karma on them, or this is like, I'm stopping this. I'm dropping this. I don't believe in them anymore. Knight of Cups in reverse. Yes, person A says they had very toxic traits. They were into addictions. They were maybe with somebody else. And, the tower crashed and burnt here because of somebody's toxic ways. Maybe somebody had an addiction, or they were drinking, or they had sexual partners or something like that. This Empress finally got fed up of this knight's immature behavior. In and out, never keep living up to their promises, never doing the right thing, and this connection kind of just crashed and burnt here. So what happened, Empress? What happened in the recent past that you made such a decision? Well, it's the same story, but this Empress was carrying all the burden, right? This card has come out second time. Empress says, well, I was carrying, I just told you, I was carrying all this and I've dropped it now because it was becoming too much for me to bear. I was carrying the entire weight of this connection. I was the one giving, and my person was just being a magician, being an illusionist, showing me something which they never lived up to. 10 of Wands, what happened? 10 of Wands. Yes, this Empress feels I got depleted. I totally got depleted. I was giving too much of myself, and it created an imbalance which I couldn't bear anymore. Queen of Cups in reverse tried to show up as well, and that's what it tells me with the Temperance card in reverse, and now the Judgment card in reverse, where this Empress has kind of reached that level of exhaustion where I can't do this anymore. Magician, Empress in reverse again. Yes, this Empress is quite adamant. Second time the Empress in reverse has come out, saying, I just decided that if you're only going to be giving me false promises, illusions, never giving me the respect, never giving me any future to work with, then I call it quits. Halt. So now how do you see person B now? Person A? Well, person A says that too much of conflict has happened now. They were very rash. They were very immature. Again, magician, illusionist. I really waited. I thought they could be my wish fulfillment. I was praying and wishing that, this person would do the right thing. But they never did. They never brought anything back into balance. In fact, they were juggling me. They were in and out. They were creating drama, basically, in my life. And I wanted a brand new beginning with them. I wanted something stable. But this person was only being a magician, never really showing me the true picture. And I waited and waited and wished and hoped till I had no choice but to call judgment on them and said, enough. I don't want to do this anymore. So many repeating cards and 6 cards. Judgment has come out twice, Magician has come out twice, Ten of Wands has come out twice, Empress has come out twice, Judgment in reverse. Yes, Knight of Cups twice, my God, all repeating cards. So I think this Empress has kind of passed judgment on this person to say, well, you're a promise breaker, you're a heartbreaker, you're a flirt and nothing else. Okay, so what action person A is going to take towards person B or otherwise, I'll open later. Gemini, let's go on to the other side and see what's happening here. So person B, how do you feel? 6 of Swords. Person B says, Yes, person B says, I do want to restore peace and harmony into our connection. In fact, if I could, I would rush in right now and tell them that I'm sorry, I never did the right thing. I never promised you. I promised you, but I didn't live up to my promises. And but now I've made a choice. I've made a decision. And what's that? What's that decision you've made, person B? Person B is first and foremost acknowledging. They're acknowledging that they did breadcrumb. They did. They were probably giving to more than one. They were breadcrumbing this Empress. They don't want to do that anymore, though. They don't want to be that player anymore. Ever since this Empress has left their life, now they're feeling the brunt of it. They're feeling left out in the cold. Maybe that's what they did to person A, the Empress, earlier. Now they're feeling the same way. And now they're recognizing that they've lost their Ten of Pentacles, their future. I think they were taking person A for granted all this while, thinking, well, I can always choose this cup later. I can always choose, this cup is always going to be there. I'll choose that later. Now they've realized, oh my God, I've lost my future now, which is making person B feel very, very ungrounded. So, not just ungrounded, I have a feeling they're even feeling very angry. They didn't expect this Empress to kind of give up on them. Knight of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, they feel things have totally gone the wrong direction. And they're very depressed about it. They're very upset about it. They feel they want to come back. They want their person to come back. Will you please come back? I'm upset. I'm angry. How dare you? How dare you? You were expected to stay in my life forever for my future, where I could choose you whenever I, had the time or inclination. How dare you leave me and go? Okay, so what happened in the recent past, person B, that you're feeling this way now? The Devil. Yes, they were. They did something. Something toxic went down in this connection, where some bad memories have now been created in this connection. Like I said, they could have done something or had some addictions or, disrespected basically this connection and this Empress. So now with the Star card, what happened? Okay, so even though they knew that this Empress was their wish come true, they disregarded this love offer. They may have appeared very cold-hearted, very, I don't believe in love, and harsh and unemotional. I don't need love in my life. Very well knowing that person A was their dream come true, their wish come true. And now since they've realized that, now they want to do the right thing. Now they want to come back as the King of Pentacles, but it may be too late because his Empress has already given up on them. Now they're very, very frustrated and almost angry. So how do you feel now, person B? How do you feel about this connection? How do you feel about person A? The Fool in reverse. They feel whatever I did, maybe if they were in any third parties or whatever, whatever choices I made, I've lost my chance for a reconciliation. I made some very unwise and foolish mistakes where this connection was concerned. I may not be given a new beginning now, but I do want to heal it. Give me one more card, Spirit, for, yes, the person B is going through some kind of depression now. They're going through some kind of sadness and depression and heartbreak, big time. Big time heartbreak. They do want to heal this now. Temperance. Temperance. They're hoping that in time, if they're patient enough, this is how they're seeing person A. They're seeing person A as holding back from them and healing from all the cheating, lying behavior that they did. And that's really hurting them, that, I don't get my passionate new beginning now with this Empress because of their own lying, cheating ways. So person B is going through all kinds of emotions. Sometimes they want to come back, sometimes they are angry, sometimes they want to do the right thing, sometimes they are frustrated. So they're going through all these emotions as well as heartbreak because they feel they totally effed up a beautiful connection. Okay, so now let's go. Yes, this Empress could be blocking them now. They're feeling it big time. So let's see what actions you guys will take now, gems. I'm going to take this deck for this one. And of course, this is my time to request you to hit that like button so that YouTube gets that they have to circulate the videos a little more. And also, it makes me happy, Gemini. Thank you. And newbies, don't forget to hit the notification bells if you subscribe. That way YouTube can inform you when new videos come in. So, person A, what's the action you intend to take? Four of Swords in reverse. They've done their healing. I think they have done their healing. They've been in hermit mode. Yes, person A has been in hermit mode for a very long time. They are now coming out of their healing, it seems. They are being very... They're taking their time though. They're studying. What are they studying? They want an equal give and take. Oh yes, this person is now taking their time. They want a connection which is going to have equal give and take. This person A is very intuitive. They're showing up as the Empress, Queen of Cups. They are very intuitive. They know they deserve somebody who's going to give them equal give and take. This person is not going to be in a rush to give their heart to anyone. They are going to watch and wait, study whoever comes towards them, I guess, and take an informed decision now, especially after this episode with this promise breaker, that I will only give you what you give me. I think that's the game that person A has in mind. Okay, or even maybe with person B, they could be saying, I'm giving myself love, self-love, right? I've healed, I'm fine, I'm not sad over anything anymore. I'm waiting and watching. I will only give you as much now as you will give me, and not one more. That's what person A has decided to do. Wait and watch. I will give you what you give me, and no more. The rest of that love, well, I'm giving it all to me. Okay, so person B, what is the action you intend to take? Queen of Cups in reverse. They are so scared. They feel they've lost the love of this Queen of Cups. Why is that an action? Yes, I said 8 of Swords, sorry. No, 2 of Swords. 2 of Swords. They are going back and forth in their mind. They're going back and forth in their mind. They feel, I've depleted the love of my person. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Look at this person. Eyes blindfolded with 2 crows on their head, going, what should I do? What? Okay, so what are you going to do? What is the action you're going to take? Gems, that's what we want to know, person B. Page of Pentacles, okay. Justice. They are thinking of, thinking of maybe they want to make things right. First of all, the justice card is here, right? They are figuring it out how to bring things back into balance after things have really slowed down. I guess stagnation has happened. I do feel that they want to start from scratch. Let's begin again. Am I right, Spirit? What's the action they want to take? What's this Page of Pentacles? Yes, Ten of Cups. They want to they want to start again. They do see person A, the Empress, as their happily ever after. They see this person in their future. Maybe earlier they took them for granted, but now they want to go like a page and saying, hey, I know you don't believe me anymore, but can I start from scratch? This time I'll go all the way, right down to the Ten of Cups, Ten of Pentacles. So, yes, somebody wants to get unstuck. They want to re-begin. May not happen because person A is now very, very strong. They are not just going to believe person B again, and person B knows that. So that's all I have for you, gems. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.